All right, hi guys. Today, um, we are going to talk about math lesson 8.2, which is life angle measures as an additive. So what that means is we're talking about real life ways that we are able to use, um, angles in our everyday lives. So one way that we do this is with our field of vision. Now your field of vision is what you can see without turning your head. So without moving your head right now, when you look around, you can kind of see to where your shoulders are, right? So picture your shoulders when you sit up straight as that line in a protractor, at the bottom of a protractor, that 180-degree line. So we're able to kind of see 180 degrees around us, but we're not able to see behind us, right? So this is what it's kind of showing us here on this angle. Oops. For a human, their field of vision is 180 degrees around them. Now, there's this other 180 degrees behind them. Once again, my handwriting's not perfect. We've been over this over the past few weeks. This is called their blind spot, or their blind area. Their blind area is the place where they can't see without turning their heads. So as a human, we can only see 180 degrees in front of us, and our blind area is 180 degrees behind us. Now, but when you look at the entire area here, it's a full circle. Now remember, a full circle is 360 degrees. So everyone's going to have that full circle around them when it comes to a field of vision. All animals, everything. So even this owl, who is only capable of seeing 110 degrees of their field of vision, they still have this, wow, that is a really awful circle. Let's pretend that's a circle. Yeah, it's a little better. They still have this whole circle around them, but obviously they have a smaller field of vision than we do. But there's still this 360-degree circle around them. So to find the blind area of an owl, I would take that 360 degrees and subtract the field of view. So for the owl, that was 110 degrees. To get us that blind area of 250 degrees. So I would know that the owl has a blind area of 250 degrees, which is the place that they can't see. Now, obviously, a rat has a much larger field of view than both the owl and us. Well, more so with the owl than with us, but still, same thing goes, where you have to picture, to figure out what their blind area is, you have to picture the whole 360 degrees. So you'd have to find the difference between 360 degrees and their field of view. So go ahead and I want you to start on the worksheets that I've attached to this Google Doc, trying to keep this in mind. You do have a couple questions about these specific animals, so if you were paying attention, you should have the answers to those. Hint, hint. But yeah, so go ahead and take a look and try to find the field of vision and blind areas of the different animals that are mentioned in the worksheet.